fuel nila, they are fueled by wrong relationship. Ang fuel nila, worldly song, multo. Huwag multo ang hanapin mo banal na espiritu. Amen? They're fueled by peer pressure. They're fueled by social media. They're fueled by expectation ng magulang nila. They're fueled by youthful lust. They're fueled by rebellion. They're fueled by insecurity. They're fueled by ang kagustuhan nila makiayon sa sanlibutan at mga kasama sa school. They're fueled by so many things, but there's only one fuel na magpapatakbo sa iyo ng tama at yon, ang salita ng Diyos. Amen? It is a powerful fuel para sa buhay Kristiyano. You know, sa mga karerang ganyan, there's a registered fuel. Hindi pwedeng pumasok doon na minimum grade ang fuel. You need a high octane, pure, 100% fuel. Amen?